write blogs about digital marketing on Google Blogger. But now creating and thinking about the content and posting it on account is very time consuming task. And sometimes I miss posting as well. So in that case, I set up a simple AI agent that automatically creates the content and share it as a new blog post on my Google Blogger account like this. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up an automation which automatically runs every day, generates the content via AI tool which is OpenAI, and then post it as a new post on my Google Blogger account. And now here in this tutorial we are going to learn step by step that how you can build a simple connection using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect for your Google Blogger account as well. So to start with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using code ROMYT in the coupon section, you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we're going to use this AI workflow builder and we're going to start a fresh chat. It says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to write a single line of prompt explaining my workflow to this AI workflow builder. Let me add it. I want to schedule this workflow for every day and then OpenAI will generate blog title and blog content separately and share it as a new post on Google Blogger account. After analyzing my request, it is asking which schedule Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select schedule workflow and for OpenAI I'm going to select ChatGPT. Then here it is asking me for OpenAI once again, so we're going to select ChatGPT once again and for the Google Blogger I'm going to select create a post. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create and here we have received the workflow link. So with this we have successfully created a workflow using AI workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin through automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I have selected the app and the app event and it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. You can see multiple options. From here I'm going to select every day and for the time I'm going to select 10 AM. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay, then we're going to click on the save and here we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully scheduled our workflow for every day. Now here after scheduling the workflow, what I want is that I want AI to generate the blog title and blog content for my Google Blogger post. So firstly I'm going to set up it for the blog title. You can use another AI tools as well such as Google Gemini or Perplexity AI as well. So here to build a new connection, it is asking for a token and to get the token we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here and you can see it has directed me to the API keys window of my OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. So from here click on this create new secret key, give a name to your key, select the project and click on this create secret key. By doing so you are going to receive an API key. Copy that key and add it over here. Then click on the save button and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the model. So I'm going to select my model as GPT-5 from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then comes the prompt. So I need to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper blog title for my post. Let me add it. Alright, so I've successfully added a prompt where I added some instructions for the AI. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we've received a successful response where we have received a title generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now similarly, I'm going to use AI once again to generate the content related to the title. So this time we are going to click on the select existing connection because we have already connected our account with Pabbly Connect in our previous action step. Now again for the model, I'm going to select my model as GPT-5 from the drop down, and here for the prompt, I'm going to add the relevant prompt. Let me add it. Alright, so this is the prompt where I add some instructions for the AI and the detail as blog title. So now here, instead of entering this blog title manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new title through my OpenAI from my previous action step, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter slash first, and here we're going to map the title generated by AI. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the entire blog content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the title and the content, we are going to create it as a new post inside my Google Blogger account. So we're going to build a new connection over here. And then we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired Google account, and then we're going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me for the blog ID. So here you can see my blog ID is my blog. So I'm going to select save from my drop down, and here it is asking for the title and the content. So we're going to map the title generated by AI and then content generated by AI as well. After adding details, let's move forward. For the status, I can select it as draft, scheduled or live. I'm going to select it as live, and for is draft, I'm going to select no because status is live over here. Then here these fields are not required ones, so I'm going to leave it blank, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new blog post on my Google Blogger account. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new blog post has been created over here with the entire blog content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically generate and publish your Google Blogger post with ChatGPT. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.